So we're going to change the cabin filter on a Fiat 500. This is a right-hand drive one. It's a 2017. So there's two screws, one here and another one just here. But then we're just going to move this wire connector, we're just going to disconnect and move it out of the way, and the same goes for this wire connector, so that way it's out of the way to give us a little bit more room as it's quite tight. So just press down on this, so squeeze these two ends and pull it back like that, and it releases, and then you should be able to pull the connector out. It's clipped in here, just pull the clip off, and that can be moved out of the way slightly. Tuck it in behind. And you've just got these two screws, one there and one here. So these bolts are 7/32 size. So for this lower bolt, you can't actually get the socket in place because the steering column's in the way, so just get a pair of needle nose pliers and just slowly back it off. It's slow, but it does the job. Pull that little wire out of the thing. Now you can get to the filter. So get it out, you'll probably have to squash the side in like that and pull it out. It's quite tight. Then get your new one. So get your new one, make sure it's fitting the same way. And that's in now. And get the cover and start putting it back together. And get your screws. Tighten it up. Once you've done that up, then get this, remember to clip this little piece into the side, then plug that in, slide it up as much as possible, and then to lock it in just press that, and that's in. Got this little plug, and then make sure that's in that little thing that's holding it in, and then you're done. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.